Hi and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're showing you a day in the life of a computer technician. Once we've dealt with any immediate issues, we move on to our daily tasks. This might include things like updating software, running backups, and thinking of solutions we might have missed. Throughout the day, we troubleshoot computer issues and work to resolve them quickly. We also stay up to date on the latest technology trends and developments. This helps us stay ahead of the curve and provide the best possible service to our clients. At the end of the day, we wrap up any open tasks and make sure everything is running smoothly. We also document the work we've done, creating reports that help our clients understand the changes we've made and how they can maintain their systems in the future. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this look into the life of a computer technician. Want to know more about what we do? Feel free to leave a comment or send us a message.